Debt is often viewed as a negative and burdensome financial tool. But when used strategically, it can actually be a powerful tool for generating income and building wealth. Today, I will share my personal story with ways in which I have leveraged debt to make money. From real estate investments to starting a business, I will provide practical tips and insights on how to effectively use debt as a financial tool to create opportunities and generate income. So, if you're interested in learning about alternative ways to make money and maximize your financial potential, keep watching to discover the strategies that have worked for me. 1. Leveraging debt for investment. In my journey of using debt to make money, one of the most lucrative ways I have found is through leveraging debt for investment opportunities. Real estate and stocks have been my go-to investment options, and debt has played a crucial role in maximizing my returns. When it comes to real estate, I have used debt to purchase properties that have the potential for appreciation and rental income. By borrowing funds to invest in these properties, I have been able to generate passive income through rental payments while also benefiting from the appreciation of the property value over time. This strategy has allowed me to build a diversified real estate portfolio and create long-term wealth. Similarly, I have used debt to invest in stocks and other financial assets. By borrowing money to purchase stocks, I have been able to take advantage of market fluctuations and earn profits when the stock prices rise. Additionally, I have utilized margin trading, which allows me to borrow funds from my broker to buy stocks, further amplifying the potential returns on my investments. However, it's important to note that leveraging debt for investment comes with risks. It requires thorough research, careful planning, and a solid understanding of the market. Proper risk management is crucial, as any investment carries an inherent level of uncertainty. And so, by carefully selecting investment opportunities and managing the associated risks, I have been able to maximize my financial returns and create wealth through real estate and stock investments. 2. Utilizing business loans for expansion. In addition to leveraging debt for investment opportunities, another way I have successfully utilized debt to generate income is through business loans. As an entrepreneur, I understand the importance of capital for business expansion and increasing profitability. Business loans have allowed me to inject funds into my ventures, whether it's expanding my existing business or starting a new venture altogether. By obtaining a loan, I have been able to invest in marketing strategies, upgrade equipment and technology, hire additional staff, and even acquire other businesses. This strategy has not only helped me grow my business but also increase its profitability. With the infusion of funds, I have been able to scale operations, optimize processes, and improve product or service offerings. These improvements have led to higher sales, better customer satisfaction, and ultimately, increased revenue and profits. However, it's essential to approach business loans responsibly. Analyzing the return on investment, carefully planning the utilization of funds, and ensuring that the business can generate sufficient cash flow to repay the debt are critical steps to consider. It's always wise to consult with financial advisors and thoroughly evaluate the risks before taking on debt for business expansion. By effectively utilizing business loans, I have witnessed significant growth and success in my ventures. Stay tuned for the next section, where I will share another strategy on how debt has played a crucial role in my journey of making money. 3. Smart credit card utilization. In addition to leveraging business loans for growth and profitability, another effective way I make money using debt is through smart credit card utilization. Credit cards offer a range of benefits that can help boost my income and enhance my financial well-being. One of the primary advantages of credit cards is the opportunity to earn cashback rewards or travel points on every purchase. By being selective about the credit cards I use, I can maximize the rewards and benefits offered by each card. For example, I have a card that offers higher cashback percentages on certain spending categories, such as dining or travel. To make the most of these benefits, I ensure that I pay off my credit card balances in full each month. This way, I avoid unnecessary interest charges while still enjoying the rewards. By using credit cards strategically and responsibly, I can earn significant cashback rewards or accumulate travel points that can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, or other travel-related expenses. Additionally, credit cards often come with extra perks such as travel insurance, extended warranty protection, or purchase protection. Taking advantage of these benefits can save me money in the long run and provide peace of mind when making big-ticket purchases. However, it's crucial to remain disciplined and avoid overspending or accumulating excessive credit card debt. I closely monitor my spending habits, set strict budgets, and regularly review my credit card statements to ensure I stay within my financial means. 4. Creating passive income through peer-to-peer lending. Another way I make money using debt is through peer-to-peer lending. This innovative financial model allows me to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in need of funding. By cutting out traditional banks as intermediaries, I not only earn a higher return on my investment but also help others in achieving their financial goals. Over the years, I have used various peer-to-peer lending platforms that provide a seamless and secure online lending experience. These platforms carefully assess the creditworthiness of borrowers to minimize the risk of default. Before investing, I thoroughly review the borrower's profile, credit history, and the purpose of the loan to make an informed decision. By diversifying my lending portfolio across multiple borrowers, I reduce the risk of potential defaults and optimize my returns. I also have the flexibility to choose the duration of the loan, ranging from short-term to long-term, depending on my investment preferences and financial goals. The returns from peer-to-peer lending have been rewarding, and it is a great way to generate passive income consistently. However, as with any investment opportunity, it's essential to conduct thorough research and understand the potential risks involved in peer-to-peer lending. 5. Flipping investments for profit. One of the most exciting ways I make money using debt is through flipping investments for profit. This strategy involves purchasing distressed assets, such as properties or businesses, at a significantly lower price and then selling them for a substantial profit after making necessary renovations or improvements. Flipping investments requires a keen eye for value and a comprehensive understanding of the market. I carefully analyze various investment opportunities, looking for properties or businesses that have the potential for higher returns. By taking advantage of debt and securing financing, I can quickly acquire these opportunities and maximize my profit potential. Once I have acquired a property or business, I strategically invest in renovations or improvements to increase its market value. This could involve updating the property's aesthetics, improving functionality, or enhancing its overall appeal to potential buyers or customers. The key to successful flipping is time management and efficient project execution. I ensure that renovations are completed promptly without compromising on quality. This enables me to minimize holding costs while generating interest on the debt used to finance the acquisition and renovation process. When it's time to sell, I carefully assess market conditions and set a competitive price that allows for a healthy profit margin. Through effective marketing strategies, I attract potential buyers or investors who recognize the added value and potential of the property or business. Flipping investments for profit can be a lucrative strategy if executed correctly. However, it's important to note that it carries certain risks, including market fluctuations, renovation delays, and unexpected costs. Proper due diligence and thorough research are imperative to mitigate these risks and maximize profits. So in all of the 5 various ways that I generate income using debt, from leveraging real estate investments to utilizing debt for startup capital, each strategy has its own unique advantages and challenges. It is important to remember that borrowing is not without risk. Irresponsible borrowing can lead to financial ruin and the loss of valuable assets. That's why it's crucial to approach debt with caution and carefully consider the potential risks and rewards. Responsible borrowing requires thorough research, realistic financial projections, and a solid understanding of market conditions. It's essential to assess your own financial capabilities, set realistic goals, and establish a plan for repayment. Remember, the goal is not to drown in debt, but to use it as a tool to generate income and build wealth. By understanding the risks involved and implementing effective risk management strategies, you can successfully navigate the world of debt and emerge financially stronger. I hope you have gained valuable insights into how debt can be utilized for opportunities to generate income. By using debt strategically and responsibly, you can create opportunities for financial success and security. So, go out there and make your money work for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share or comment on this video and subscribe to this channel about personal finance and investing.